capturing the past through historic photography. 1948 Porsche 356. Images of the 356 reflect its iconic shape that influenced decades of sports cars. 1950 Ford Custom Deluxe. Images of the Custom Deluxe highlight its popular post-war styling. 1952 Allard J2X. Images of the J2X showcase its rugged, high-performance design for racing. 1955 Triumph TR2. Images capture its small, sporty shape and enduring appeal among enthusiasts. 1956 AC Ace. Images of the Ace highlight its elegant, minimalist sports car design. 1957 Dodge Coronet. Known for its bold tail fins, images of the Coronet capture the exuberant styling trends of the 1950s.